Oh my goodness, look, ingredients. You are coming up in the ranks, my dear. You're learning that every time I come in here, we're making some food. Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, where if I can cook it, so can you. A couple weeks ago, I posted a video where I had made brownies for Jamie's birthday. The weather wasn't super great, there was a lot going on, so we postponed the birthday party until today. Well, tomorrow, technically. So I am gonna make a little macaroni dill salad. Not a dill pickle pasta salad, just a macaroni dill salad to serve with our burgers and hot dogs that we're gonna be having for dinner today. And I figured if I'm making it, I might as well show you guys how to make it as well. What are you gonna need? You're gonna need 2 cups of elbow macaroni, which I believe is like a standard size box. This is a big box, but 2 cups of dry elbow macaroni. You're gonna need green peppers, either 1 large one or 2 small ones. These are small, so I got the 2. You're gonna need some radishes. Also, substitute, leave out. You can change this up any way you would like. You're gonna need 1 cup of mayonnaise. You're going to need about a half a cup of sour cream. I almost called this cream cheese. This is very much sour cream. You will need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard or yellow mustard, but this is gonna make it better. You're gonna need about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Again, if you don't want the little extra kick, leave it out. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And you might be wondering, what about the dill? Here it is. Look at it, it's beautiful. We have grown so much of this. You will need a 1/4 cup of fresh, washed, and chopped dill. And I'm not kidding. Look, we have this much and this much more. So we have a lot of dill to work with right now. And of course, with any pasta salad, you're gonna need your water on, salt your water, and bring it to a boil. Water's boiling. Add your noodles and cook according to the box. While the noodles are boiling, I am going to wash and cut up about 1 cup of radishes. Radishes, all cut up. When your noodles are done, put them in a strainer and run them under cold water. Sorry, my phone rang, so I couldn't actually show that process. And then just leave your noodles sit there. We'll get back to that. I wonder, these are not bitey radishes. I already took a bite of one. Would you like to try a radish? Yeah? What do you think? Okay, we got a little bit of a crunch out of that. You're still crunching. Okay, let me give one to Miss Kira. Speaking of Miss Third Best Kitchen Helper Ever, who's in here napping on the couch, would you like to try a radish? Oh yeah? Okay, the dogs like radishes. Now, I'm gonna wash my green peppers. You're gonna get to try one and dice it up really fine. Like I said, 1 big one or 2 small ones will work for this. I diced my green pepper really small. You can kind of see how small I did it because I don't like huge chunks. I also diced that pretty small too. So depending on how big you want your green pepper, I wanted mine a little bit smaller. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's see. Can you sit? Green pepper crunch coming in. Wow, some serious crunch. Okay, I think you liked it. Oh, did I wake you from your nap again? Green pepper with a crunch. Yeah? Okay, I think you liked it as well. Not sure if I showed this yet either, but here is our 1/4 cup of dill, finely chopped and washed. Now we're gonna take 1 cup of mayonnaise. I have a small bowl. We're gonna ploop that right in the bowl. We will be taking our 1/2 cup of sour cream and putting that in this bowl as well. We will also be adding our 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard to the bowl, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, all of the dill. You can always save some for garnishing. And now we're gonna stir all of this together till it looks about like this. I also want to note, if you don't like spicy, don't put the cayenne in or put a little bit less in. I don't think it's spicy, but some people think cayenne is overly spicy. So you could leave it out if you want to leave it out. All right, I have my container. I have my noodles. Put them in the container. Oh, free noodle. Go ahead. Good job. See how she looked at me? She's like, Mom dropped something. Am I allowed to eat it? Well, I guess I gotta give Kira a noodle now too. Are you still chewing that noodle? You didn't even eat it. It's right here. I know, you're so weird with noodles. You are very much a texture dog. You can eat it. It's okay. How about you, Miss Ma'am? Noodle? There I go. It's like, it's just gone. Yeah, the other dog took forever to eat it. All right, we're gonna add the green peppers. We're gonna add the radishes. And then we're gonna add all of this into here and stir it around. Stir it all together until it's fully incorporated. Beautiful. Now we're gonna stick it in the fridge. You wanna chill this for at least 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. Now I'm not doing this today, but another thing you can do with this recipe, you could add rotisserie chicken to this, you could add tuna to this, you could add ham to it. You could pretty much add whatever, you could add eggs to it, you could add any type of protein that you want to it, and it's still gonna be good, and I don't think you need to make any more dressing. So like a cup of chicken or a cup of ham, and it would just make it a little bit more of a meal. So anyway, it's in the fridge until we're ready. Oh, okay, this turned out beautiful, but now we gotta try it. All right, hon.
It looks great.
It does, doesn't it?
Looks kind of fruity.
There's no meat in it.
No meat.
No, you could put chicken or tuna or whatever, but this is just pretty basic. I made the pretty basic version.
Well, tuna would probably be good in it.
Tuna would be really good in it. I already tried it.
I'm gonna drop everything.
There's radishes in it.
I know, I've been for a good one.
I know, and I know you like radishes, so. It's very creamy. And very dilly. But there's no pickles in it. It's just the dill.
Yeah, right in the middle of,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. I liked it. I thought it was pretty good. I would make it again and try it with tuna. Like I would add tuna to it because I think it would be really good.
It's kind of what it feels like it should have in it.
Right.
I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
I like it.
This was just simple. This was a simple one I made since everybody's coming over. Good. I'm glad you like it. I think that's going to go over pretty well at the party today. Delicious. It was delicious. Like I said, I think I'm going to try it next time with tuna. Let me know if you end up trying it and if you add anything else to it. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big. We will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.